class. Are you ready along with your notebook, pencil, eraser and water bottle? Okay, let us start our class. In previous class, I taught identifying greatest and smallest number in the given number series, and I explained ascending order and descending order. Today I am going to explain counting in twos, counting in tens, counting in hundreds, counting in thousands, and forming greatest and smallest numbers without repeating digits. This is I am going to explain. So now counting in twos. Already in class 1 you learned about these, counting in twos, counting in fives, tens, etc. Counting in tens. Counting in twos. Write the next 5 numbers. This is the question. Counting in twos, write the next 5 numbers. First number is 3,993. So 3,290. Write the next 5 numbers. Just count in twos. See, 3,292 after 3,293, 3,294. So what is the next number? 3,294. Again add 2 here. So what is that number? 94 after 95, 96. That is 3,296. What is the next number? Add 2 here. 6 plus 2, 8. And remaining numbers same. So what is the number? 3,298. Next add 2 here. See here adding 2, 8 plus 2, 0 and 1 is the carrying number. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 10, 0 and 1 is the carrying number. 2 plus 1, 3 and 3. So what is the next number? 3,300. Adding 2 for this number, then 3,300. This is counting in twos. Write the next 5 numbers. Second one. Counting in tens. Write the next 5 numbers. Counting in tens. Write the next 5 numbers. That is number is 4,320. Next 5 numbers. See, 10. You are adding 10 here. So which place value will change? 0 plus 0. 0 will come in. 1's place value will not change. But 10's place value will change. Because we are adding 10. 2 plus 1, 3. 100's place digit remains same. And 1000's place number remains same. So this is 4,330. So what is the next number? See, here you are adding 10. What number will come? 4,304. Next, if you are adding 10 here, what number will you get? 4,350. If you are adding 10 for this number, what number will you get? 4,360. If you are adding 10 to this number, or the next number 60, here 1 if you are adding, that is 4307. Clear, children? Next, third one. Counting in hundreds. Write the next 5 numbers. Here we are adding 100. $7,435. See. Here you count 100 for each number. So this is 7,435. 100 is added to 7,435. Hundreds plus digit will change. So in place of that 4 is there. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the next number? If you are adding 100 to 7,435, you will get 7,530. Again, if you are adding 100 to this number, what number will come? 7,630. Next number, hundreds plus digit is changing. Are you noticing that? This is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Hundreds plus digit is changing. Next, 7,730. What is the next number? 7,830. What is the next number? 7,930. Clear, children? Next, fourth one. Counting in thousands. Write the next 5 numbers. So I am taking the number 3,826. Here what you have to add? 1,000 for each number. See, counting in 1,000. So 1,000 you are adding. So if you are adding 1,000, ones place digit will not change, tens place digit will not change, hundreds place digit will not change. When it will not change. Thousands plus digit will change. 3 plus 1, 4. So what is that digit? 4,800. What is that number? 4,826. If you are adding 1,000 to this number, what is the next number will come? You will get if you are adding 1,000 to this number, 5,826. If you are adding 1,000 to this number, you get 6,826. If you are adding 1,000 to this number, what are you notice that here only 1,000 value is changing, remaining all the digits same. So 7,826. Next, 8,826. This is counting in twos, counting in tens, counting in hundred, counting in thousands. Next topic. Forming greatest and smallest numbers without repeating digits. This is the next topic. See here, listen carefully. greatest and smallest numbers without repeating the digits. This is very important. Without repeating the numbers, digits, sorry. Forming greatest and smallest numbers without repeating digits. See here, digits. I am writing table. See here, this is the digits. Greatest number, and smallest number. See, I am taking examples and I am explaining. First one, 9, 1, 2, 8. For writing greatest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. What order? This is, you should arrange in descending order. DO means descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. Which digit is greater here? 9. After that 8. After that 2. After that 1. So what is that number? 9821. These are the digits. So we are keeping commas for each digit. This is the number. You should not keep the commas for each digit. Leave like this. What is this number? 9820. Smallest number. Arrange the given digits in ascending order. AO means ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. First, which is the smaller one? 1 is the smaller one. Next one 2, and next one 8, and next one 9. I said don't keep commas for these numbers. This is the number. This is the digit. So digits we are having commas, but number we should not keep the commas. So what is that? Number 1289. This is the smallest number and this is the greatest. One more example. Five, 7, 2, 0. First you want to write greatest number. What order you have to write? Descending order. Descending order means arrange the given digits from bigger to smaller. So first digit is 7. 7 is the bigger one. Next one 5. Next one 2. Next one 0. So what is that number? 7520. This is the greatest number using these 4 digits. Now I am going to writing the smallest number. You arrange the digits in ascending order. So smallest number is 0, then 2, then 5, then 7. Is it the smallest number? See here, any number does not begins with 0. If it is begins with 0, it is the 257. You know that left hand side number, if any number has left hand side 0 is there, it has no value. So this is wrong. So what we have to do? Just interchange these two. Always 0 will come in the second place. Second place. So what is the number? Just interchange the numbers. Then 0 and 2, if you are interchanging, what is that number? 2, 0. So what is this number? Remaining you write order only. Then the number is 2057. Did you notice that I am not reading the hundreds place digit, but I wrote. Why? To show the place value. To show the place value. One more example I will explain. See, arrange the given digits in descending order. There is no change in descending greatest number. To write greatest number, no change. Just you write in descending order. See, 9, 6, 4, 0. So what is that number? 9640. For writing smallest number, arrange the given numbers in ascending order. But in the given digits, 0 is there. So always what I said, 0 in the second place. Before that, what is the smallest number? 4. So start with 4 and 0 in second place. Then remaining 2 you arrange in ascending order. So what is that number? 4069. So today's class, what I explained, counting of twos, counting in twos, tens, hundreds, thousands, and forming greatest and smallest number without repeating the digits. See here, any number will not repeat it. Okay, this today's class is this. I will give you homework. Please do it today only. I will meet in the next class. Thank you.